My name is Klaus Lockel, and I am the CEO of Siemens Software Germany, Austria, Switzerland. We're going to be talking about digital thread today. Digital thread is important for societal topics like, for instance, shortness of talent or sustainability. Digital thread is also important in order to work in ecosystems. Model-based approaches, like for instance in system engineering, help us to manage this complexity. Another exciting field is the connection between automation and software, the so-called IT-OT convergence. We would like to invite you to address all of these topics, and our motto is "the sky's no limit", and our example with the Mars Rover fits this very nicely.
Every space mission is uniquely challenging. But success of the JPL Curiosity rover Mars Science Laboratory required a level of complex engineering and planning beyond any other mission to date. The team had to design a vehicle to house the world's most advanced scientific laboratory in a space rover, plan how to safely transport a 1 metric ton payload, and plan how to safely land it on Mars, all in a virtual environment. And there was zero margin of error. Siemens PLM software gave the JPL engineering team confidence that their decisions through design, build, test, and validation would result in success. The rover is made up of tens of thousands of parts that needed to work together to get through launch and beyond. The 2-year scientific mission required a redundancy of systems, which doubled the density of the systems on the rover. But the trick was that the size and volume of the payload could not increase. JPL engineers used Siemens PLM software to help design and test the parts before assembling the system. Extreme temperatures posed another major mission-critical challenge. Thermal analysis ensured the team that the Curiosity rover, all of the sophisticated instruments, and the spacecraft that housed it all could endure the extreme temperatures. Curiosity's total mass is 15 times larger than the science instrument payloads of 2 previous Mars rovers. Innovative maneuvers and technology to land a heavier spacecraft with greater precision were also developed and proven using Siemens software. And Curiosity made a perfect landing in August of 2012. PLM software technology from Siemens was also used by JPL engineers to design and simulate the 10 highly sophisticated science instruments aboard Curiosity. These are now successfully being used to send lab results of rock samples back to Earth to analyze and determine whether conditions were ever favorable for microbial life on Mars. During the rover's 2-year mission, experiments like these will help us learn more than ever before about the Red Planet. From the smallest mission detail to the most complex engineering feat, Curiosity proves that Siemens PLM software is mission critical for a trip to Mars. Imagine what Siemens PLM software can do for you here on Earth.
Enjoy! I'm looking forward to meeting you personally at the Insight Days 2023.